Chapter 19 closes with the last instruction of Shukracharya, the Guru. He's teaching his disciple. So this last verse or last instruction or Shiksha, Guru Shiksha of Shukracharya to Bali Maharaj, he tells him that there's no problem with lying. He outlined the standard for lying. The Guru taught his disciple the lying standard. 5 different circumstances where one can lie. He can lie to a woman, he can lie in marriage, lie in business, lie in times of danger, lie to protect a cow, to protect a Brahmin and save one's life. He says, Strishu narma vivahe cha vrityarte prana sankate go brahman arte himsayam nanritam syaj jugupsitam. Translation: in flattering a woman to bring her under control, in joking, in a marriage ceremony, in earning one's livelihood, when one's life is in danger, to protect cows in Brahminical culture, or to protect a person from an enemy's hand, falsity is never condemned. It seems in this verse, Shukracharya is outlining to his disciples 7 circumstances when a person can lie, and according to him it says there's anritam, there's no falsity is never condemned. There's nothing wrong with lying in these 7 circumstances. 1, strishu, one can lie to encourage a woman and bring her under control. Number 2, narma, one can lie in the course of joking. 3, vivahe or vivaha, one can lie in a marriage ceremony. Vritti arte, one can lie for the purpose of maintaining one's livelihood, as in business. Actually, it's 8. There's 8 different times or circumstances where one can lie. Strishu 1, narma 2, vivaha 3, vritti arte business 4, prana sankate protect one's life or pran 5, 6, go brahman arte, to protect a cow or to protect a Brahmin or Brahminical culture. That's 6 and 7. Number 8, himsayam, ayam. This is you can lie to protect a person who is going to be killed because of enmity. It's interesting how chapter 19 concludes with verse 43. Where Shukracharya explains to his disciple Bali Maharaj that he should lie to Vamanadev or not promise him or whatever. 8 different circumstances where one can lie. It's alright to lie to Vamanadev according to Shukracharya. But then chapter 20, it describes just the opposite. Srimad Bhagavatam and the Dharma Shastras, quite opposite of what Shukracharya is saying. They're saying that lying is sinful. So in this chapter 20, it's called Bali Maharaj surrenders the universe. Even though he understood that Vaman was cheating him, Bali gave everything to the Lord in charity. And then Lord Vamanadev manifested a huge body, gigantic form of Vishnu, and took over the whole universe. Bali Maharaj, let's start the verse. Very interesting. In the verse 1, chapter 20, After Shukracharya instructed Bali Maharaj was silent for some time. Tushnim bhutva shanam rajan. He observed a moment of silence. The Acharya asked this question, why was he silent? Because he was deliberating on this order of Shukracharya. He was thinking, should I refuse the order and go against the order of my Guru? Or should I independently do everything to please Krishna or God? So he was taking some time, waiting for some confirmation from the Supersoul. He was also contemplating about the two different types of gurus. There's Pravritti Marg Guru and the Vritti Marg Guru. Pravritti Marg Guru takes the disciple on the path of Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. But then the Vritti Marg Guru takes the disciple on the path of Bhakti, eternal loving service of the Lord. Prabhupada explains when one should reject a guru. Anyone who is supposed to be a guru, but who goes against the principles of Vishnu Bhakti, cannot be accepted as a guru. If one has falsely accepted such a guru, one should reject him. Jiva Goswami says, a useless guru, such as a family priest who acts as a guru, should be given up, and a bona fide guru should be taken. A bona fide guru means a Vishnu Bhakta, one who will teach someone about the science of Krishna consciousness.